This is Dan Lehman from No Code Now, your weekly newsletter for all the latest happenings in the world of no code. Fillout Forms had a huge launch week of new features dropped every day. We Love No Code, WLNC, was just acquired by Toptal. Spreadsheet editor Rose released a new integration for dynamic charts in Notion. Stripe has created an embeddable checkout experience on your own website. Baserow has announced a new ambassador program and is launching its own chart soon. FlutterFlow now lets you create apps directly from the iPad. ClickUp has had a palette refresh and now has a new Australian data center. Plasmic lets you create low-code apps integrating with your existing code base. Momen is a no-code alternative to Bubble or FlutterFlow. Cluee helps you automatically track time for your no-code projects. Single API helps you extract website data as JSON. Hexofy has simple AI-based web scraping. Impaction helps you analyze data from your AI products. And finally, Revosheets is a blend between spreadsheets and project management. For all the latest news in no-code, subscribe to the newsletter today at nocode.media.